So guys, I haven't posted in quite a while, but I have good reason behind that, kind of. I was working, kind of confused of what I wanted to do as usual. And yeah, I was just making videos for fun. And one of them ended up being Fnatic and PC Specialists release video for their new PC. I'm going to be doing a video on that as well, but that's later on. So today is different to what I usually do, but I bought a new car in January. I had the older model, the E81, I believe, 1 series before. So this is the F20 sport model, not the M Sport, just the sport. And I'm into, well, I'd like to think I'm into cars, but clearly I haven't been, because I got in contact with some people like off Instagram, like friends of friends, and they introduced me to like the UK car world. I'll be showing you content from that today as well. Before that, I just did like simple mods. This company, Fat Bits, shout out to Fat Bits, it's right here. They sent me out a gear gator and a steering wheel cover. Now the steering wheel cover, you have to stitch it on yourself. There is a learning curve, a big learning curve that I learned, and I've done the tutorial videos for these as well for them. It's on their page and I'm going to show you right now as well. And the gear gator was just a simple swap, and my knob is getting changed, the gear knob itself, but obviously I have to wait for those parts to come. And I've just had it stage 1 remapped with pops and bangs. I need to get my resonator deleted and my back box deleted, and then after that it'll be sounding like fire. But today I just wanted to go over like the simple mods we did. First I did the window tints. There's a TikTok on that, and my front headlights and backlights have all been tinted. It's a light smoke. In terms of the inside, there's lighting on the footwells, there's ambient lighting that I added in. All the wiring is hidden as much as I could. And then the wing mirror caps have been changed to the M4 caps, the M Sport caps, and all of the logos are blacked out, which you probably see. So with that being said, you guys probably want to see what I'm talking about, so let's get into the montage, and I hope you guys do enjoy this content. I'll probably be making a tutorial on when the parts come in of me doing it, so if you guys would like to see that, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below. So let's switch to the montage.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles.